What's up, everyone? We're back with another video. We're at Ratchet headquarters doing this Selector springs on the SI today. Mr. Ratchet over here. Give the boy a follow. Mr. Famous. Oh, you guys want to see the car? Of course you do. What else? You guys are fucking sluts for this car. There she is. The famous race car. Oh shit, what's out? You gonna take it for a spin?
No, mom.
You gonna take it for a spin?
We're gonna go get beer. Hey.
No way.
Yeah.
Are you really?
Yeah. Can you edit this? But
yeah.
No mames.
I will. Every video that
right
Jose's in it.
No mames.
I got you.
No mames.
Yeah, Juan, when'd you get a race car, dude?
Dude, thanks to Zamora, man. What you mean?
Alright. Well, anyways, while they go get beer. No, I'm gonna start over here. Anyways, Jose is kind enough to help me out with this project because in order to do this, you have to remove, I believe it's this part right here, and you take out the actual transmission spring in there, and then you'd replace it. These are the bushings also. I got these for the car too. They're actually over here. They're Acuity. Everything Acuity. These are the bushings, and then these are the Selector springs. Where are they leaving? Right here. Okay, so what we did, we took out the bushings, the pins, moved them to the side, and there's 3 bolts on the actual thing where they're 1, 2, and then the other one's over here. That's just where we're currently at. So it's actually 4 bolts, 1, 2, and then 3 and 4.
Yeah, I fell in love with it when I sat in it, and now, like, when you took me for a ride up in the canyon, and even now, it's
Multiple?
no, my dick. Like,
You
my
said
dick,
dicks.
apostrophe S. So
Talk about the one in his ass.
Damn, I got that on video too, bro. That's going on YouTube. Oh my god. No. Only on some of the wheels. I think this is one of the good ones.
Okay.
How's that work?
Let's go to work. Well, it looks like we need to get this bolt right here. 8X Allen key. Just like that, it's out. Damn, that smells good. Smells like Kool-Aid. Dude, that's crazy. You can see the gear from right there. That's insane. So it looks like we just take off that bolt right there. Fucking. There you go. That bolt. The fuck out. It comes right out.
Let's see it.
Here we go.
Right now?
Dude, here's from those to those. Okay.
Oh.
Make sure you make this one.
Keep the washer.
Yeah, this one. That one has like a little gasket on it.
One of the lines is probably busted.
Holy
It wouldn't come from
shit.
there if everything was working.
That's fucking crazy.
It could.
Okay. Let's your springs.
Oh my god.
I'm wondering if that piece, if it's actually a single piece,
Holy
actually
shit.
goes into the back of the firewall.
Oh yeah, wow. Bad difference.
No, this is from one of
Okay.
my friends. He makes this car,
Yeah.
that car, my
This one.
car. Yeah, but it's just a piece that the actual lines go
Oh, yeah,
from.
it's
I'm
longer
wondering if maybe
That's
one
good.
of those seals are busted and it's leaking internally.
There you go.
If
Right
it's not leaking internally, it's probably
Oh,
one of
yeah.
the lines.
Acuity.
But the
God
line
damn,
would
dude.
seep through the refrigerator would seep through the line because that could be in a black room. But still, that dye is bright as fuck. Yeah, it's even a black light. Yeah, so I tried the black light and it's
When you're taking it apart, just be very careful that you don't fuck anything up. That's why Jose's doing it, so I can't fuck anything up. As you can see, it looks like a jigsaw puzzle in that bitch.
And now my daddy, he owned like 6 shops. He owned like, he was running 4 for my
No, honestly, dude, that shot did not feel real.
All right, so we're just replacing the gasket with what is this, Honda Bond?
Yeah, some stronger
Basically.
Honda Bond. Basically some Honda Bond. But this is a dab.
We're gonna put I scraped the excess from the previous one from the actual transmission and whatever the fuck this is, the module, and now you're just putting it on there.
This is not the right way to do it.
All right, that's it. It's all back, reverse order. Put in the new bushings. Literally, you just put in a screwdriver in the hole and then pry them out. Put in the new ones.
What are you drinking?
Kool-Aid. And yeah, that's it. Reverse order. Shifter cable bushings and transmission springs changed.
Go check out your thing.
Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the D10 spring video and whatever else I have coming soon. So yeah. Oh, there's nothing in there. I already know. I know there's nothing in there.
Hey.
Yeah, no mames.
Hey, no mames. Q's in 3, 2, 1.
Dreamland.